So, dito tayo sa Avida Towers, 1 Union Place, Arca South. Check this new for closed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is 9th floor, Tower 2, 1 Union Place, Arca South, Taguig City. So, this is 2 bedrooms. And this is for bidding. The mode of payment is cash or at least 5% down payment. And then 95% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So meron siyang balcony. And then ito yung bedroom 2. As you can see, the unit is actually in good condition. Good as brand new. Kitchen niya. And ito yung bathroom. It looks like hindi po siya nagamit or natirhan ng previous owner. And then meron din siyang maliit na storage room. Ito. Or pwede siyang gawing servant's quarter. So this is around 62 square meters and around 9.5 million or 154,000 per square meters. So again, if you are interested to schedule a viewing appointment and submit a bid, please message us directly. So ito po yung pinaka-primary bedroom or the masters. May sarili po siyang bathroom. So, meron siyang game room dito. Ayan, game room niya. And then pinaka-gym niya. Dito lang gym. So ito yung pinaka-amenity area niya dito sa Arca South. Avida Towers, 1 Union Place. So ang kagandahan dito sa Avida Towers, 1 Union Place in Arca South, pet friendly na siya na condominium. If I'm not mistaken, siya yung kauna-unahang pet friendly ng Avida Towers in Metro Manila. So may swimming pool, adult kiddie pool, and then function area.